Good morning, everyone. How are we doing today?
Good.
All right, that's good to hear. My name is Anthony Carrier. I'm the founder of Simple Sustainable Solutions. In 2019, I joined a textile recycling company as a helper, and I witnessed firsthand the textile pollution problem in the United States, in the world, and it is just appalling. So, I want to ask you guys a question. You ever been in your closet and you look on the floor and you find a sock, and you're like, I haven't seen this sock in 3 years, and you don't know what to do with it? What do? Toss it out, right? Or say you finish cleaning something and you don't know what to do with it. What do you do with it? Toss it out. Now say, I'm a father of a 1-year-old. He loves to get messy, as you can see. When I ask people what they do with their clothes, they normally say they donate it to Goodwill or Salvation Army. But most people won't donate a shirt like this, correct? Mm-hmm. So, what do they end up doing with it? Throwing it away. So, that ends up happening a lot. And our solution is to provide convenient, entertaining bin locations so families can recycle all of their textiles, not just the slightly worn clothes. The global textile recycling market is valued at $4.1 billion with a compound annual growth rate of 3.5%, projected to reach $5.3 billion by 2030. Now let's look at the problem. 92 million tons of textile is generated annually that ends up in the landfill. I want you to think about that. That's equivalent to 275,000 semi-trucks. 275,000 semi-trucks full of unwanted textiles like these. So, 80 to 100 billion new garments are made annually. That's equivalent to 1.5 million garments made a day. Who's wearing that much clothes? Only 20% of the old clothes get collected for recycling, and less than 1% actually get transformed into new garments. These are some of the solutions that my competitors currently have. As you can see, they have the bin locations, but they look very unattractive, dangerous, might even. They attract rodents, raccoons, whatever you can think of. Also, for the location, for the property owners, they can get fined by the Department of Sanitation. So our solution, super bins. We want to have engaging superhero characters that promote sustainability. Also, our bins will be equipped with Sensio bin technology sensors, which will send us notifications to our phone when the bins are full, so we can send our drivers to go pick up the clothes before it ends up like this. We want to make it more efficient and more cost effective for the company and for the consumers. And by placing these bins locally, we aim to create jobs by hiring drivers that normally wouldn't fit in the normal workforce. So we want to provide opportunities for them. 92 million end up in landfill around the world. 17 million of tons end up in the landfill right here in America. And we tend to address the 3.6 million tons that end up in the Northeast region. We want to market to children ages 6 to 14 with the super bins concept, adults ages 21 to 60, all groups in the Northeast region of the United States with a household income less than or equal to 100,000. Now, this market space is pretty crowded. We have a lot of competitors. Some companies like Standard Recycling, Helpsy, Planet Aid, US Again, but they do not have any bins with the bin sensors, so they're using these old, outdated methods. We want to also offer excellent customer service. So this is how it works. The clothes get donated, we send our drivers to collect the clothes. Once the clothes are collected, we resell them to wholesalers or recyclers. Now, once they get the clothes, they grade it and sort it. Depending on the grade, they decide whether it's reusable or recyclable. If it's reusable, they usually put it in a thrift store, or if it's recyclable, they send it to a factory where wiping rags are made. So for 3.6 million tons, we tend to profit $100 per ton, which gives us projected $360 million possible revenue for the next 10 years. We plan to raise awareness through digital marketing. We plan to evaluate our value proposition through client testimonials, and on our website, we'll have a bin locator tools to find a bin closest in your area. We incorporated in 2022. In 2023, we diverted over 250,000 pounds of textiles from the landfill. We joined NVA 2. We also are doing some clothing drives with schools in the upcoming months, and we're also the official vendor for uniform recycling for Comcast. Woohoo! I'm not done. So year 3, we projected to make 1.1 million. Year 5, we projected to make 3.4 million gross revenue. We're looking for 36 months financing to place 100 collection bins in the Northeast region to generate 1.1 million in year 3. Now you're wondering why choose us. Well, we have over 20 years in the industry, and me working for a textile recycling company and seeing it firsthand, we used to go to some of these bins and it was just atrocious. Mold, everything, and I'm just sick of it. I don't know if you guys are, but I am. Thank you. Unlock your inner superhero. Help save the planet one rip shirt at a time. Any questions?
So yours is an existing business, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you tell me 2 biggest challenges that you're facing right now?
Awareness. People don't know that textile pollution is actually a problem.
Mm-hmm.
And infrastructure. Getting our own warehouse and be able to sort and do everything in-house rather than just selling it right away.
So you're doing the sorting?
No, not yet. We want to do the sorting. So we lack the infrastructure right now.
Okay. So when you collect all of that, where do you send it?
We bring it to like wholesalers. So there's some wholesalers like recyclers. They have a warehouse. We bring it, they purchase it, and then they sort it and grade it. Depending on the grade, it'll go in their own thrift store, or they'll send it overseas to another thrift store.
And so you currently have these bins, and where are they located right now?
We don't currently have the bins.
Oh.
So we've collected the clothes through word
you've
of mouth
collected the clothes through word of mouth.
and
Got
through
it.
clothing drives. But we
Right.
want to have the bins with the sensors to. That's why we're looking for the financing to get the 100 bins to place them.
Got it.
How do you plan to make money? What's your business model?
So we sell per pound. So say it'll be 50 cents per pound. So if we bring the wholesaler 5,000 pounds at 50 cents, it's $2,500 for one trip. So that's how we be profitable.
Do they have enough capacity to receive or?
Yes, so we actually have multiple buyers. And so like, even if one person can't receive it, we have other buyers that are interested. This is a big market. There's a lot of resale going on. And
Got it. So you've already made a transaction, it's just not through your bin.
Yes.
You collected it and you actually
sold it.
sold it. How
Yes.
much did that generate?
We made about 80,000 before cost of goods sold.
And so how are you organizing? How do you go collect right now? What do you do?
So they'll call us, and myself and my driver, we'll go and pick up the clothes, and we'll have a truck, and we'll have like all on one day, and we just pick up all the clothes. And then once we have the clothes, we bring it straight to the wholesaler. So we don't store it or anything, but we want to store it eventually. We plan on to have it more.
Who calls you?
People like friends, families from the community. I have a lot of community outreach programs.
Okay, thank you.